Filing your tax return and paying what you owe on time is always best. But if you can't pay in full, you still need to file on time and pay what you can. In most cases, you have options for how to make your payments. You can pay by direct debit from your bank account, or you can pay online, by card, by phone, from your mobile device, or by check. If you can't pay your taxes in full, then consider an IRS payment plan for the rest of what you owe. By setting up a payment plan online, you have fast, easy, and secure options to use at your convenience without the need to call or write for assistance, and you'll get immediate confirmation that your payment plan is approved. Here's some information you'll need to know about the IRS online payment plans and installment agreements. If you can't pay in full immediately and owe $100,000 or less, you may qualify for additional time, up to 180 days, to pay in full. There's no fee for this short-term payment plan. However, interest and any penalties continue to accrue until what you owe is paid in full. If you're not able to pay your balance in full immediately or within 180 days, you may qualify for a long-term payment plan, which allows you to make monthly payments towards the amount you owe. You may qualify for this plan if you owe $50,000 or less, have filed all required returns, and can pay the balance within 72 months or less. A setup fee is charged based on how the payments are made. However, setup fees are waived or reduced for low-income taxpayers. Like short-term plans, interest and penalties continue to accrue for long-term payment plans until the amount you owe is paid in full. Accounts in long-term plan status are protected from enforcement action and receive a more beneficial penalty rate calculation. Businesses that owe $25,000 or less from the current and prior calendar year and who can pay off what they owe in 24 monthly payments or less may also qualify to use the online application to set up a long-term plan. To use our online self-service channels, you'll first need to verify your identity through a quick, safe, and secure process. And if you already have a payment plan, you can use our online payment agreement tool to make revisions such as changing payment dates, amounts, or bank information if you paid by direct debit. You can also securely view your balance, payments, tax records, and more through your online account. You can also use your online account to find important information when following up on balances or notices. Visit irs.gov/account for more information about how to set up your online account. To get started setting up an online payment plan or installment agreement with the IRS Online Payment Agreement tool, go to irs.gov/payment plan.